I am going to share you a shortcut to draw output waveform of any limiter circuit. For any limiter circuit with only one diode, that is, it is not a two-way clipper, it is only one-way clipper, the shortcut can directly be used. If the P side of the diode is connected to the output node, that is, positive peak is clipped. Positive peak is removed from the input. Positive peak is eliminated and remaining part is transmitted to the output. Positive part above the reference voltage is deleted from the input waveform and the remaining waveform is presented at the output. Transmission of input waveform below the reference. Likewise, if N side of the diode is connected to output node, negative peak is clipped. Negative part is removed. Negative portion of the input waveform below the reference voltage is eliminated and transmission of input waveform above the reference voltage takes place. For example, if you see a positive clipper circuit, so if you see the clipper circuits, there can be series clipper and shunt clipper. Here diode is in shunt with the load or output, and hence these are called shunt clipper. Or sometimes diode can be placed in place of resistor R1 and the R1 resistor will be placed here. Those are called series clippers. So this shortcut is applicable for both series and shunt clippers. Positive clipper circuit with and without reference voltage diagrams are there in this slide. So as P side of the diode, so if you see, this is the anode, this is the cathode, this is the P side, this is the N side. As P side of the diode is connected to output node, positive peak is clipped. So if you see, this is the entire input waveform, positive half cycle, negative half cycle, and here no reference voltage is given, and we are considering it as an ideal diode, that is V gamma equal to 0. There is no diode drop, we are considering ideal diode. So transmission of input signal below the reference voltage takes place. If the diode is ideal, VD on will be equal to 0, so entire negative half cycle will be passed to the output, complete positive half cycle will be clipped. But if you consider a diode, practical diode, so the drop would be one diode drop VD on. At that time, these are the transfer characteristics. So if you want to do the complete analysis, you can do. The simple shortcut is P side is connected to output node, reference voltage is 0 plus 1 diode drop, so it transmission of signal below the reference voltage. Here reference plus diode drop is VD on, so input signal below VD on will be transmitted, positive half cycle is clipped. Likewise here also diode P side is connected to output node, but here some reference voltage is there. So now reference voltage plus 1 diode drop will be VD on plus VB1. So transmission of input signal below the reference plus diode drop, positive peak is clipped. If you consider a negative clipper circuit, as N side of this diode is connected to output node, negative peak is clipped, negative half cycle is clipped. From which amplitude level it is clipped? It is clipped from minus VD on level onwards. So this is clipped. Likewise, if you take a two-level clipper circuit, here both P side of diode D1 is connected to output node, N side of diode D2 is connected to output node. It means that for transmission of input signal below the one diode drop takes place during positive half cycle because P side of D1 is connected to output node, and transmission of input signal above the one diode drop takes place because N side is connected to output node for diode D2, negative cycle is also clipped. So it is a two-level clipper circuit.